Welcome to our channel, where we explore the profound and inspiring stories of Islamic history. In today's video, we will delve into an important Islamic incident that holds great significance in our faith. These historical events not only showcase the greatness and power of Allah, but also refresh our belief and inspire us to live righteous lives. Today's story is about Hazrat Noah, peace be upon him, and his she-camel. The story of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, holds significant importance in the Quran and Islamic traditions. Allah sent Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, as a messenger to guide his people. From his life and the events of his time, we learn lessons of faith, patience, and reliance on Allah. In the beginning, Satan's influence had become dominant on earth. Taking advantage of the time granted by Allah, Iblis led the people into disbelief and polytheism. Houses had become places of idol worship, and 5 idols, Wad, Suwa, Yaguth, Ya'uk, and Nazar, were regarded as gods, Surah Nuh 23. The people had forgotten the teachings of the previous prophets, including Adam Shiz, peace be upon him, and Idris, peace be upon him. Prophet Idris, peace be upon him, struggled against the idolatrous actions of his people. This struggle brought a temporary return to the true faith, but after his death, the people again turned to misguidance. When disobedience reached its peak, Allah appointed Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, to the noble position of prophethood. The Quran states, "And indeed, we sent Noah to his people, and he said, I have come to you as a clear warner." Surah Hud 11:25. In another place, it says, "Indeed, we sent Noah to his people, saying, warn your people before a painful punishment comes to them." Surah Nuh 71:1. He warned his people that if they continued in disbelief and polytheism, they might face severe divine punishment. Surah Hud 25. However, the people rejected his guidance. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, pleaded with Allah, saying, he said, "O my Lord, I have called my people night and day." Surah Nuh 71:5. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, preached to his people for 950 years. The Quran states, "And we certainly sent Noah to his people, and he remained among them 1,000 years minus 50 years." Al-Ankabut 14. According to the Quran, his age was more than 950 years. The persistent rejection and mockery from his people continued despite his prolonged efforts. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, prayed, "O my Lord, my people are ignorant and foolish, forgive them." The people mocked him and considered him insane. The Quran describes how they threw stones at him and ridiculed him. The leaders of his people challenged him, saying if he was truthful, he should bring the promised punishment. In Surah Hud, it is mentioned, "And he was constructing the ship, and whenever an assembly of his people passed by him, they ridiculed him. He said, if you ridicule us, then we will ridicule you just as you ridicule." Finally, the construction of the ship was completed. When the time of divine punishment came, Allah commanded Noah to take pairs of every kind of animal and the believers onto the ship. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, complied with Allah's commands, and the believers boarded the ship. Soon after, the signs of the flood began to appear, with water gushing forth from every part of the earth and a torrential rain from the sky, creating a scene of Judgment Day. The ship was sailing on the towering waves of the flood. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, saw his son, Canaan, standing at a high place. He called out, "O my son, embark with us, and do not be with the disbelievers." But Canaan replied, "I will take refuge on a mountain to protect me from the water." Noah, peace be upon him, warned, "There is no protector today from the decree of Allah, except for whom he gives mercy." And the waves came between them, and he was among the drowned. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, prayed to Allah for his son's forgiveness and salvation, saying, "O my Lord, my son is of my family, and your promise is true." Allah responded, "O Noah, indeed, he is not of your family. Indeed, his conduct was unrighteous." Surah Hud. The waves covered the entire earth, even the mountains, and nothing remained alive except those on the ship. The ship sailed for a long time on the turbulent waves, until Allah commanded the water to recede. After the flood, the ship came to rest on Mount Judy. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, sent a crow to check the conditions of the earth, but the crow did not return because it found carrion. Then he sent a dove, which returned with an olive leaf in its beak, indicating that the waters had receded. The passengers disembarked, and Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, and his companions began a new life. They established a settlement called Thamanin, meaning the town of 80. It is said that on one morning, the people found their languages had changed into 80 different languages, making it difficult for them to communicate with each other, and Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, had to translate for them. The story of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, serves as a powerful reminder of the consequences of disobedience to Allah and the rewards for those who are faithful and pious. This event teaches us about the importance of monotheism and adherence to Allah's commands. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with others. Your support helps us create more content. Jazakallah khair.